Hello and welcome to Adore Library Resource Moment. Today I'd like to share with you a database that is great as a reader's advisory database. It's called Novelist and it comes to us through EBSCO. What I'm going to do is demonstrate how to use this database to find books that read like another book you've read, a series of books, or an author that you like. So to begin, let's go to the Marquette webpage. Let's go to Quick Links and click on Library. We're going to scroll down the page to this middle section where we have the grid, and we're going to look at our databases A to Z. We'll click on that link. It's an alphabetical list of all of the databases available to you through the Door Library. Let's go to L to N. That's the right alphabetical range, and then we'll scroll down and we'll click on Novelist. Now, if you're on campus, of course, just click on Novelist and you'll get right there with no need to log in. Off campus, you do need to log in. And just a reminder, it will come to this login will lead you to the Badger link login page. Go ahead and log on using our username and password that's provided in this same email, and then use that alphabetical list to find Novelist. So let's go ahead and click here. So again, Novelist is a nice reader's advisory database. It's going to connect you to books that read like another book you've read or an author you enjoy. Perfect for summer reading. Great interface here, very simple, clean, easy to use. The little pull-down menu here will show you that you can search for things by keyword, title, author, or series. So let's start with a known title, a book that you've really enjoyed and you want to read other books like it. So let's say that you read The Toll this year, the Neal Shusterman book and the final book in the Arc of Scythe series. Let's go ahead and search for the book The Toll. Now, it's going to bring up for us any book that has Toll in its title. We know that this is the one we want. So I'll go ahead and click on that title. Now to the right then is this list of read-alikes, and they typically will give you about 9 books that read like the book that you've entered. So here are the books that they think will read very much like The Toll. All right, so that's one way that we can search. Let's go back and let's take a look at a couple of other ways. So we can also search by author. So there's a realistic author who writes realistic fiction. Rainbow Rowell is her name. And she's pretty popular and her books are pretty nice to read. But again, good realistic fiction. Let's go ahead and let's search for her name as an author. So it's going to bring up her record that tells us a little bit about the types of books she reads. But then along the side, we're going to get a list of authors that read like Rainbow Rowell. And John Green for sure does. And you may recognize some of the authors here on the side. If you like Rainbow Rowell, you are probably going to like books written by these authors too. All right, let's go ahead and do one last search, and we're going to search for a book in a series. So I love the Detective Pendergast series, and that's up to about 18 books, of which I think I probably have read every one. They're a little grisly. They have a lot of horror, a little bit of supernatural, but it's this eccentric, wealthy FBI agent who solves the craziest crimes imaginable. So I'm going to type in what I know. It's a Pendergast novel. I know that he is the main character in these novels. I'm going to go ahead and search for that series. So it's going to show me a little bit about the series, who writes the series, and then the books in the series. But what I'm interested in is reading something like it, but maybe not quite as grisly. So I can go ahead and click on the right and look at the books that they're recommending that I read that are related to the Detective Pendergast novels. And they're going to lead me to other authors who read like those. I was searching around using various titles in that series, and I was led to a Miss Marple mystery, which I'm thoroughly enjoying at this point. So, Novelist, it's your key to finding books that read like books you already like. And summer's coming. Your break is just a week away. It's going to give you lots of opportunities to read for pleasure. Can't wait until we meet again in the fall. But until then, enjoy your summer and keep reading.